Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to be trying out Urthbox. I ran across this on the internet and I'm into healthy snacks and foods. So when I ran across this, I was like, I gotta try this out, guys. So we're just gonna get into it today, guys. Urthbox. Here's what's on the inside. Inside comes. I don't remember if I did a subscription or not. There's no directions. Let's see. That's attached to that. Natural glow. This is tea, guys. Oh, let's say organic white tea, organic amanthus flower. I guess when I decide to have some tea, I'll give this a try. The tea spots. All right, so let's see. This is exclusive introductory offer for Virginia Deer. Legend in a nutshell since 1929. That's it, guys. They gave me a little discount here. Try it out. Right, like some covered nuts. Butter toasted peanuts. And that's what it tastes like. Coated peanuts. That's pretty good. It don't taste any different than the regular covered peanuts. 140 calories. So, I guess that's healthy. All right, let's get into Spark Organic Fruit Chews. All right. At Spark Organic, we believe real fruit makes a real difference. Spark Organic Fruit Chews are made with organic fruit, giving you a burst of real fruit with each bite. Let's see. Uh-oh, I'm gonna have to drop it. Smell good. I can already smell it. All right, that's how it comes. Smell that, guys. All right. Open it up. It smells very good and fruity. Like a little starburst. Don't really taste like it smells. It's okay. I guess for organic, it got a good flavor, tropical flavor. That's an okay treat, snack. I keep that in. All right. And they got the band of nuts again. I'm not gonna open those up because I already tried them. Let's go with got two of them. Salted caramel. Love good fat chewy nuts. Nutty. So it's like a protein. It's a 9-gram protein, only 2 grams sugar, 5-gram net carbs. Let's try it out. I got 2 of them. Let's see. That's what it looked like. Let's get in here. That's pretty good. Like a little granola bar. All right, that's pretty good there. I'm gonna take that for breakfast. I'm gonna get ready to go to work. It's a good breakfast snack. And there's another one. I already know what these taste like. The little Wisp cheese crisp parmesans. I'm not gonna open those up, but they're good. I've experienced them before, so I'm not gonna open them up right now. And yummy original yums. They're like gourmet cereal snack. I like little granolas. I'm not gonna open those up because we know what granola tastes like. I'm pretty sure it's pretty good. I have another one. Tea drops, ginger. Oh, I love ginger. Citrus ginger. You say turmeric loose leaf tea that dissolves. Okay, another tea. I can put this in my tea in the mornings. So check that out, guys. I love turmeric and ginger. I make a good ginger tea. So this, I could be using this with that. I'm excited to try that out, guys. I also got another turmeric saffron. I can't wait. I'm gonna take that to drink tomorrow for work. Sparkling botanical virus, turmeric saffron, steep botanical and sparkling water. I love sparkling water. So far, Urthbox, hey, I'm loving everything. Macadamia salted caramel coffee, keto, gluten-free. I'm loving this box already, guys. So I'm not gonna open all these up because I do want to enjoy them at a later date. What is this? Vitalist Superfood Unicorn Ball, raw cat coal and peanut butter protein nut ball, huh? Let's keep you energized on the day. I'm gonna have fun with these guys. Almond cherry plant-based snack bite, energy. There it is, guys. I'm not gonna open it up because I do want to enjoy these snacks at a later date and time. And I have organic applesauce. I might get that to the kid. So far, man, Urthbox, pretty good. As the steepings went on this morning, I thought and saw you smiling in my bowl. Then I realized it was me smiling as I thought of you. I guess that's a little saying that they give you, the T-spot. So far, Urthbox is pretty good, guys. I'm pretty impressed. They gave me discounts to North Coast. All right, guys. That's it. That's everything from Urthbox, guys. Hey, stay with me, guys. I should have some more Urthboxes coming in the near future. Like, comment, share, and subscribe so you don't miss those videos. Thanks for watching.